Sup YouTubers, Tim Yugioh 2 here with another display opening of Ghosts from the Past. First one was okay, no ghosts there though, so hopefully we can get one from this. Fingers crossed. Now most of you probably just watching it to hopefully see the ghost rares being pulled. Then we're going to try and get through this fairly quickly. Time Thief Hack, Madolce Chateau, XYZ Burst, Miracle Synchrofusion, and Heretic Sky Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. It's kind of cool. Molten Conduction Field, Dark Requiem, Metamorphose Fusion, Cosmojo, and Vampire Voivode. Cosmojo is a pretty nice reprint. It's a long time, it's been overdue. Sunvine Maiden, Fairy Tale Tales, Art Brave Dragon, Update Jammer, and a Time Thief Double Barrel. I do get a ghost there. I'd like it to be the Dark Magician, but we will see. Time Thief Regulator, Sunseed Twin, Metamorphose Orichalk, Artifact Durandal, Heretic Seal of Creation. Mass Change, Time Thief Winder, Madolce Petincessor, Resonator Engine, and National Genius. Buster Dragon, that's a really good reprint. Time Thief Retrograde, Metal Foe Silvered, Tackle Crusader, and the Green Knight Synchro. That's cool. Really hate all the packaging that they actually put on this. There's no need for it all, really. They should try and cut the packaging down considerably. Anyway, Metamorphose Combination, Recover, Salvage, Gear Town, and an Armed Dragon level 10. Madolce Chateau, Rare Metamorphose Bismugia, Starry Knight Astal, Metamorphose Stellan, and a Dragoonity Remus. I have Gear Town, Resonator Core, Heretic Dragon of Esset, Sunvine Shrine, and a Lava Archer. Metamorphose Volflame, Heretic Sun Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis, Mass Change 2, Miss Valley Baby Rock, and the Green Knight Synchro again. We're getting a lot of that. Splash Mage, Metamorphose Fusion, Dragon Knight Dreco Quest, Madolce Sistart, and a House Shadow Hollow. Sun Avalon Bloom, Metamorphose Counter, Cosmo Tin Can, that's a cool reprint. Evil Fawn, Time Thief Adjuster. So, last one for this display. Update Jammer, Cosmo Dark Lady, that definitely need a reprint. Artifact Durandal, Ajama Country, and Starry Night Ceremony. Sun Avalon Dryas, Time Thief Starter, Heretic Seal of Reflection, Lava Volcano Handmaiden. Oh, there we are. And we get a Ghost Rare Dark Magician, which interestingly was upside down in the pack. And there we are. That is beautiful. That's the one I wanted as well. Really, really nice. Fantastic. That's my money back on all three displays, basically. We have another Buster Dragon, Metal Throw Stealing, Erratic Dragon of Atom, Backup Secretary, and a Dryanome. So yeah, well, I hope you've enjoyed this opening. Last pack of this display, and we get the Ghostware Dark Magician. Let me know in the comments which your favourite Ghostware from the set is and what you're really hoping to pull. Please like and subscribe. Peace.